Hello, beautiful peoples. Matthew Salter here with Clearwater Realty. We are here on St. Croix, Virgin Islands today. I'm going to be showcasing a house that we've been working on for the last 2 months. It's been quite a project, but it's come out really successfully in our timeline. I'm really excited to show it to you. The property is going to be listed, or is listed now with us at $1.5 million. The address is 133 Concordia. It's located over on the beautiful north shore of St. Croix. Some of the features are 4,600 square foot interior living space. We've got about an additional 2,500 square foot of exterior living space, which includes about 500 square feet of patio space up here. Some of it covered, some of it not, with a little hot tub action. Then we have another 2,000 square feet, and that's a conservative number of exterior living space if you include the pool deck and where we actually remove the basketball court for the future owners. So basically you got this massive living area. We've got the kitchen, we've got the dining area. Super high ceiling, really cool chimney feature. Master bedroom features enough room for an office. We've got plenty of views from every room, every angle. Also includes this master closet, which is walk-in. We try not to have the ceilings there just for the airflow, so Caribbean gets a little mildewy. Double vanities, very nice shower, views in the bathroom as well. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and take a look, because before we go into the rest of the house, just to keep with the flow, I want to show you the amazing views that we have from the entire living area as well as the exterior patio here. Let's come have a look. So outside here, as you can see, we got this long, spacious little veranda area, little patio, very secure. Amazing views. This is what it's all about. You come out here, drink some coffee, do your thing. Start over here. Got the laundry room in between. And to here, we've got another bedroom. Spacious, it's got everything you need. You have a double vanity. You've got the shower, just reading that. The little bathroom here is standard. It does also have high ceilings. So that's very nice. Third bedroom upstairs, also a nice guest room, closet space, pretty standard. This was the one that opens up onto this veranda patio space here. Downstairs, we went ahead and got the solar all tuned up here. Really into solar energy here in the Caribbean. The electricity bills are really high, so this is a really amazing feature to have on any home that you have here. And if you buy a home and you don't have it, I really suggest that you go ahead and put it in. It's gonna save you a lot of money, gives you a great ROI on your investment. Anyways, we've got Sol-Ark here with Fortress batteries. This entire home is off-grid. We're currently functioning off-grid. The pool's run, everything's done. It also has a Generac generator, which we'll show you. It is also connected to WAPA in the event that none of those other two power supplies work. So you can function with or without it, but this thing runs the whole house. Downstairs, we have this entire spacious room, really, really big. Probably about 18-foot high ceilings. Go look at the kitchen here. Pantry space in the back, got a wine cooler over here. Gas stove, typical dishwasher. Everything is here that you would need. Could function as a multi-family house if you wanted it to, but it was functioning as a residential single-family home before. But obviously, with the two kitchens and the ability to shut off that door right there between upstairs and downstairs, you could function. There's a lot of different ways. So making our way back down this hallway, we have another room here. We've got this bathroom. Double vanity. Waterfall feature shower with front jets as well as a handle. Cool little throne over here. If you go out this way, it opens into kind of like the master downstairs. There's a little laundry room here, so you can do your laundry. The hallway opens up into this master, huge master room. A lot of space in here. Originally it had a small gym in here as well, which then was pushed over more, but there was also a gym in here. We removed that. So like I said, if you wanted to, you could put a gym in here. It's really up to you. Still got a TV, huge room. Huge views, just magnificent views. The view from this bed alone, you can sell anybody. So like I said, we had the pool deck leveled off. We went on ahead and installed all this new coral stone. We re-epoxied the pool after we fix some plaster. We ripped all the tile off. We just figured it would be a little smoother transition. Not have the tile. Redid the stairs. Kind of put everything back together. So the pool has a ledge here. It's absolutely beautiful. This area back here, we have an additional living space. This is where the basketball court was originally, but for now we've removed it so we could really give the future owner space to do whatever they would like to do with it. Over here we have the pool equipment. We do have this Generac generator here. It's gas powered, 11 kW, so that should give you everything you need to run the house. And if we go back that way, we'll show you a little more. One thing that's really nice, garage and plenty of parking space. This side, we got everything redone. Had to get a mail-in here to do this, but this whole side has been repainted as well. We've got plenty of parking here, probably enough for at least 6 cars. I'm gonna say 5, but 6, 7 if you wanted to double park them in. Got this big garage here. We're not gonna show you that today, but it is very large. Did want you to be aware of the feature. That about concludes it for the day on this tour. If you are interested in this property, you can give us a call in the link below. You can get more information in the link below. As usual, be sure to subscribe and like our videos if you want to see more content like this. Other than that, hope you guys have a great day.